Updates ni Alden Richard, ang post ni Attorney Ralph, ang sabi napadalaw si Boss RJ sa korte ng pulis, order in the court, welcome to Quezon City. May hawak pa nga si Alden na gabel o hammer. So, Attorney Alex Roman ng out of order. Kaya nagkaroon ng meeting on the board sa PLEB o People's Law Enforcement Board. Ayan si Alden, no? Tapos yan pa, mga napapicture kay Alden dyan sa Quezon City Hall. Ayan, spotted siya dyan. Ayan, dami pa picture kay Alden. Kasama niya dyan si Attorney Ralph. Saka si Mama Ted. May interview kay Alden.
Hindi ma-homesick o parang dun, parang sabi ko, parang bitin. Parang first 2 weeks na yan to think. First 3 days pa lang whenever I'm out of the country without family, gusto ko na umuwi. So, ganun pala. You know where, yun talaga yung sinasabi mo na kung nasa ng pamilya mo, ando ng home. Most of my birthdays lately kasi away from them. Hindi ko sila kasama lahat. You know, my dad and 2 siblings and 2 sisters. But ito yung first birthday ko talaga na nag-birthday ako. Pati kuya ko, kompleto kami. I reached the point of my age na, and my career na somehow, yung mas hinahanap ko na yung purpose with everything that I do. And of course, the priority is really to give back. And being part of Mobile Fund, I think, is God's blessing. Kasi isa to sa mga platforms and avenues where I can really practice that kind of intention sa industriya natin. Ano pa bang mas fitting sa giving back than Mobile Fund, since Mobile Fund takes care of our, you know, our workers in the industry, the actors as well.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click ang notification bell para lang updated po ang short action vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.